We're doing a little work on the 782 today. Got the engine pulled for a massive oil leak, which was the original concern. There were other concerns along the way, but the major concern is this gross filth here. And we got the engine out. These are some heavy old boys right here. And look at this, dude. Just caked. So we're gonna basically reseal the engine front to back. We're gonna do head gaskets and crank seals, valve cover gaskets, the whole 9 yards, and then it'll go back in. And we gotta wash that frame too.